Welcome, ladies and gentlemen. This is Deb 3 TV. You are watching Pass and Move, your number one soccer podcast in the land. And today, we proudly brought to you by Deb 3 Studio, Deb 3 Events, and Deb 3 Media team. Today is Pelele. Labazubuhlungu bakhona, but we're starting off on a high note. Njombona in green. Le medal in layo. And the champion cover the page. Zoom I Bulawayo Chiefs medal imiyedwa le medal. Labo bachisa bakaphela medal. Mina sendla medal. It's we say welcome back to Bulawayo Chiefs. Congratulations, Toby.
Sweet. It is so okay.
Congratulations.
Kunini nje. Lapho simcongratulate udlela ama team ethu.
But the crew is back together. Masudu you see?
Mina ngithi they deserve it. And sebakhalisela into enhle kakhulu. More teams koBulawayo.
And
more football koBulawayo.
Kanyethi.
Yeah, kunjalo nje. At least Islanders asazidlale 1 week in, 1 week out. So we 3 weeks in.
Asikabi kwazi phela khona.
Yazi xa khuluma so izolonchaya ngazipostela mina ku Facebook ithi Islanders ubijibuku Super Cup champions. Take the screenshot. Abachita anjiya. So khona bephendula namuhla.
Uthe zabawala. Ike ngitho ukuthi asikabi kwazi. But it's good to have you guys back on the show. Masita mhlophe to Bulawayo Chiefs.
Yeah.
Congratulations to
Abakwenze in style. Sasela amanye ama game.
You understand?
Abanye bekharakara sithi hey lokhu ibhula uphela.
To the Bulawayo Chiefs family, management, CEO Javas, defense, administration, the technical team, and lastly to the players. Tobiza.
Sweet.
This bro.
I was feeling how relieved we pressure why pressure after pressure since January nditasiqalisa very we pressure why so xa usubona ukuthi usufile past 2 baya la uyabe usubona soku right manje
The giant killers are big. Scotland belungisa athi bebengachayo.
abakwazi ukuzwiwa bathena Moses Chiefs ekhona.
Sibuyile engazweliyo.
Mina ngithi Chiefs ayingene le order yayo. It's the only team so far in Mathebeleni the order. Ayingene from administration, creativity yonke into. Thina singama Islanders kodwa siyakwazi ukuthi Chiefs so far because it's so far. Ayingene creativity yonke the only team. I want to ungenza kahle ngale from the head from the administration. Ungenza kahle from the administration. Kuba easy uma ufika ku pulpit. Anje abantu yonke into ku field ukuthi kunjani. Ngoba isiqoqela singale enjinini ngale. So I Chiefs high.
So say Javas, Joe is done with. We are giving them their flowers. It's not easy. We know it's not easy, but Kaiti Chiefs batchinjeja and everything into zahleli but because maybe community accidental in Division 1.
Ukukhulumile no CEO ku statement sakhe esokubonga. Esithi ha ku Division 1 lebesikhala but ukhala kwezinto kwakhona kusinika ama valuable lesson. Uthi nxa siphenduka lathi sibe ngabantu abaqinileyo abayenza into ngendlela nje.
So congratulations gents. Asile awamaning. Congratulations. Namhlanje sesigaza ezimnandi ezinye zazibuhlungu kwabanye but to me I'm like Michael this is gone. Asewa ngobile magwiza lebona gibike phezi hayi I'm taking my head off jayilo kwana kumnandi azi abayiba besizibuhlungu nxa umunye umuntu eqotsha umsebenzi abamnandi jabulile bra.
Lona mayambonto luzobuhlungu. Lona mbonto luzobuhlungu. Lunika ipackage yokuterminate imali lona.
hayi mdala lona very even bomele sidlulisa simnike million uthi eshaya phansi hayi bekuyishiya hayi bekushapa but on a serious note I mean I'm happy ukuthi Michael Nisi is gone angazi Tobi
ngama-results uyahlubona ukuthi hayi kumele ehambe ngama-results ade siwathole as a country la uyabona ukuthi hayi kuzofunakala i-change before i-AFCON because i-AFCON mayibuya la akumelanga soba ama-pushovers ngalo kumele siyobona ukuthi siyawina at least lathi to be counted amongst abanye la because igroup yethu inzima
mina ngizaba opposite kona ukuthi yes we are happy ukuthi he is gone but
what next
inkingi bikuMichael Nisi yini uyabona ashona you are happy ukuthi uhambile nje you are happy nje
I'm more than happy
sometimes I can ask you this question ukuthi kusizana ukuthi drive imoto yakho isikorokoro kungela njini
ngizakuphendula ngifuna ukwenza uganye ukuthi
okwazi kasozethi twa unisi ngiyenza imoto yaba isikorokoro
ngizaphendula
but yeah kukhona kade sokushota eteamini dala mbona esinye statistics so ukuthiwa I think in our past 5 games or so sibele 50 shots then 30 on target
in 5 games
and then 1 goal and igoya ngone ngihlohlo le defender yipi igame esicine khona ukuhlohla
in 5 games
so yawona bese kushota i-creativity somewhere yeah of course team akadilika ama-goals ihlohla angazi kangaki singakhayela i-system kanisi defensively besingani sesincingisile but omunye nje alright lapho engiyakhona ngepoint leyo bingokuthi engxenye bekungavuma singamnika isikhathi but kade besingiyela isikhathi siya ku-AFCON asifuni ukuya-add ama-numbers so
mfuna uphendula so Masuthu mina semphendula okokuqala i-administration eyaqasha uMichael Nisi ayisiyo le
alright
le bifuna i-continuity of which I understand but i-continuity abamuphe yona ama-results abuyanga ngendlela ngiyakwazi ukuthi ufuna ukuthi siqalisa i-administration ngamagwezi so far angeke nginike i-blame 100% because ngizwile even I think lonke lizwile i-interview kaMarshall Moneta ku-Metro FM eSouth Africa bembuza uthe singalungisisa phezulu i-administration yethu ibe sharp so far ochumlawa ithenya yabo basazama ukulungisa ule foundation eyabo ukuthi sibone ukuthi i-administration yabo iyenzana so nxa bebonile i-problem especially in technical bezama ukulungisa ukuthi umember beqhatshe owabo coach because singakhuluma okuningi administration but ama-results wabona eground you understand so bese kubolile lapha
bese kuchile
Michael Nisi sharp sehambile sebelungise baleya i-foundation yabo bengalungisa administratively because kuke kwaba le issue last game ukuqatsha i-passport manager kuningi ama-flights bebakhala if they sort out those things we'll make sure ukuthi our players are well taken care of then i-technical team izaba lo msebenzi khathesi umsebenzi abalawo ngokuthi mbana abamqhatsha next
and kuhle ngokuthi kukhulunywe ngumuntu osele experience both egoli nasezweni uyabona so sengumuntu lwana osekwazi hawu ama-players are-treated ku-national level uyabo so at least la ekukhuluma ukuthi abantu labo bebona ukuthi hayi it's not about us only okumele siwine something but uqalisela ngaphezulu uyabo
I hope nguphendulile
uphendulile but kulo bhathi yazi ubhathi wami ukuphi ule nto ukuthi hawu asizwanga iside yakhe nestory nje if ungambeka la ekhulume sakhe maybe you never know ukuthi ama players wonke asuke edlala laphana yena usuke sokunguye owakhethile kumbe uyachuzelwa phela kulala lento ukuthi uyabona kulezinye eZimbabwe ezifaka izimali yabona you can be a coach kunje una sufaka ukuthi ube a coach lama certificate yakho le experience yonke but ukuthi hayi tambisa this umwana ningi akatambe ni yabo
uyabona into exoxisa uMichael Nisi I think it's part because ungacheka bese dlala kakhulu abantu beScotland asikwazi vele this we must say it besimbona kakhulu even ama game besikhale kakhulu even ungezwa unqobile magwizi umenze uza 5 video ungezwa unqobile magwizi indlela akhulume ngayo uthe we've got our stakeholders which are the funds the government yabona the funds are very important singavele sikhale thina sithi uMichael Nisi wena kanti why is etshone dlala kakhulu abantu beScotland phika abantu beScotland abaningi kule era khona bawo bathe sebekulungisile ngoba bazwe thina ama funds you understand so ucoach obuyayo abazamkhetha bona we must make sure ukuthi upiki team on merit akapiki ngenxa ukuthi kulo mntakaningi kumbe kulobani sifuna on merit kuphela you understand once wapika on merit I don't think ngoba iZimbabwe like ngizathatha kakhulu ku statements kaMnezi
yeah
because ama players akhona nje asifuqa
I talented name
singapika kuhle and rightfully so Mnezi must be leading a team currently ngeform ngani experience and everything
maybe
lokudlala into zabona kamba nxa bengakadlala ema team nabamenini asimenini uthi bana ama relations labaya ama team uScott what hayi asimenini sifuna on merit one science izinto on merit guys Zimbabwe will go for because players we have
yeah
mina into engikhala ngayo once ucoach obuya waba lesibindi bengathi Kaitano nasi team because uKaitano uthi njengoassistant but Kaitano nasi team yana the ngosithatha abamnika mandate bethi skipper ku group stages usifaka kuma quarter finals or andathi sama baningi or to the second round we've never gone through to the second round at least ngesikhathi esincane be achieve something bese bemnika imandate going forward ukuthi sifuna i-national team yenze 1 2 3 going forward I think they sebeqalise kuhle
yeah lapho la ngivumelana lawo ukuthi like bengamletha sibili bemtshela ukuthi mandate wena kumele yenze 1 2 3 andi beqeda lapho bemnike le freedom yokuthi eyenze izinto zalezi ngendlela yena abona uvuma ngayo khona kokwa ukukhuluma even sese off camera ukuthi ucoach yena kafike ethi mina ngikhola ukuthi ama results engaphuma ngingayenza so ngisikhethela ama players ami lina nika nini ngicela lokhu la lokhu ukuthi umsebenzi wami uhambe nxa ngingayehluleka xotshanini simple as that
njengo Bruce South Africa
kunengi even eEurope nje ama coach amanengi nje ayakhuluma abanengi vele ayakhuluma ukuthi mina I believe in lokhu bayemba uzezwa even yasezidepela dance sithi no ngiyehlekile angisasebenzisanga nabakhiwa nami ngendlela kade kumele sebenzisana
abasanisupportanga la mina I think by so doing sebeqalise kuhle because bona phezulu administratively ngiyakwazi ukhala ngeadministrative kakhulu bengalungisa bona khona bana those errors bemnika ucoach la bemnika imandate because akula coach ongaboni ngibuye uzocoach without mandate i-team ngokuqhatsha is either bafuna uba survive as relegation or bafuna ubathatha isicup or bafuna lo thina eziZimbabwe no currently istate sethu uthi kunzima just to win AFCON but we can compete singayenza izinto proper we can compete to a certain level so singathi Kaitano nansi team nxa ukuthi kuyabamnika or bengathi uPeter la simbonile ubusy uyafunda engapass bengathi Peter Ndlovu nansi team so ufuna 1 2 3 uyenze 1 2 3 ungafeli uyenze 1 2 3 uyakhona then sokungena omunye umuntu I think by so doing topi angazi
vele yinto ekhona ukuthi at least ucoach yena ma ndothi singaqhatsha ucoach yena ezenzele mayesehluleka ebekwathi ayime ngizehlulekele esidingela abafunayo nama players yabo that way kuba easy le nation ayisoke betshona abantu ama fans ekhala week in week out so I think yona izifa yomele ikhulume ku coach ukuthi a coach kathi sifuna ukufika maybe ku last 16 AFCON kathi sisafuna ukudevelopa kube kunje so yabo that way lathi uyabe usubona improvement entweni zethu siyabe sizenza le bhora labe selinjani because these days imagine oKeveti khathi siya ku World Cup uyabona ngento ezincane nje it's not ukuthi le talent eliningi iKeveti udlula thina hayi but konkwani ukuthi bona lawo i-association yabo yazinikela ukuthi this year sifuni ukuyanga bakwenza bayenza into zabo proper ama players la aba happy uyabona because umuntu ozondileyo expect ukuthi ekwenzele something yabo so at least ama players ngaba happy lawo hambe camp ama flight ebuye in time konke kube njani in time man lawo hamba uyodlala because sometimes when uyachingela umuntu ozigadisileyo wayenzani wazidlisa sesithi hey wena why uyenza so but ngapha ungholisi futhi awuni imali so I think very 100% lawo uyawumela uyifake lawo uyabusithi but uyafanana uyabona
because wacheka khona ukukhuluma machisa ungabuza kuhle uyathola wonke umuntu oku national team izifu yamkolodi
anje uyabona ukuthi ungasobho
lapho definitely
badlala vele
so yabona ukuthi kule era
that's a point
so singalungisa khona pa
because sometimes when uyasubonga ukuthi as long in the cape ngcono ngihambe but kumele kube le something we benefit ngodla elizwe lakho because uyabo kujuti lapha
so I think into ekhulunywa nguMarshall Mnetsi
it makes sense vele it makes sense
kuhle ikhulunywe nguwe
exactly ukuthi lithi ikhulunywe umuntu inside obonayo la ukuthi but thina as players you can't do more than what you are doing now.
Taking us seriously, because if you check our team, we do really have a good team. I think there's a big misunderstanding of why our football is not progressing. For me personally, I don't really think it's the players' fault when it comes to results and other things. But I generally think that if we can be able to have, for example, an administration or an association like SAFA, and the structures that are there in SAFA and how players are treated, I think we'll probably have a better chance of qualifying, like what happens also with South Africa.
Oh, be careful what you wish for, Nyasha. Be careful what you wish for.
So administration ilomsebenzi omkhulu to make sure ukuthi othumla bana into zabo
ngabanye khona phana vele ezothiwa sokuthi uzabona into uzadlala anti sesibela ama cases la mdala ukuthi ama teams abo maningi abacomplain ukuthi izifa abaphathi kuhle bathi nxali either siyaphuma ku league oliyalungisisa bathi phuma ni so ngithi enxe khona apha konje so sithi uMnetsi uyalungisisa khona wona uzobe abadala abafuna ukukhuzwa vele
hayi nathi say big player is a big player very big player ngeke be worried ngakhulu because yena umuntu big player
mina but mbono Asha banobuye ngenye ipoint like khona ukuthi ucoach limnikeze those things ukuthi manje ezihlulekile uyabe le mandate ukuthi hayi thina vele igoal yethu ukuthi wena achieve this to the Sancho then ubusumnika ina le into echile yodwa ubusumnika ukuthi zenzele okwenza la kusasa ma esehlulekile mina but we have given a platform ukuthi ze freedom ukuthi zichoose ama players ungakhali ngokuthi hayi uthemfa umana waningi noma vele kade ngakhonda but just because ngokwabani yabo I think yona lana into ingalungisiswa yena la lo coach lo obuyayo ozaqhathwa I think hayi le AFCON sizancengisa.
Another positive note, Brighton Chimene or Ref has been selected to participate coaching course referees course le khona Egypt AFCON bese singasele o Ref madude bese sibona o Ref bethu hey
bahambe beyi2 kulomunye director something ngeke ngakubhala sibili bahambe beyi2 Ref nguChimene then omunye anganuse olezikhundla ku board yama referees.
All right, but at least it shows because uthi umuntu sesikhulume ngayo
kakhulu hayi impembe yachana
athi abona ukuthi speak about referees mina issue lenza ithatha ivile uma player silama player were performing very well ku league yethu the likes of Unavaya for example singabaka abantu abaningi Unavaya for example has been sidelined
ngabizwa
ku squad but be perform more than abanye abantu ode bebizwa
Mm.
engabizwa uChimene has been performing sikhuluma sithi ungacheka ama games athiwa ngoChomlo isizathu kurefula Scotland versus Islanders eBeef Islanders versus Dynamos eBeef uchaya impembe ama support ethi ya urefu chayini
Akanyikinyeki.
whatever decision he made was bold so it goes like the same way as ama players once if anyone performs amadoda amnike nini phela
So omunye ahambe la kuthiwa ngu Felix Tangawarira FIFA instructor.
Lwana Felix Tangawarira auto very has always been there
ukuthi uyayintube khona kodwa futhi ma referees
very good referees committee awumswele lona FIFA very agree Tangawarira match very
Ezinkulu.
so ebona into engitsho so Chimene has been doing well uselectiwe we hope ukuthi ukhosi uzayenza sharp qualify as a representative because kunzima phela ukuthi ucine ungene kuma final
but mina ngibona umember la ngendlela athanga impemba nje uyabonisa ukuthi into yakhe uyasticka to into leyo uyayibona into leyo mala ngiqhubekisele phambili unlike lawa ama ref amanye ayenzwe eZimbabwe khona kodwa kusho ukuthi bengabizwa basuka bebe biased athenjiswe i$50 egamini ebulala icareer yakhe so phela mali uma ibhola lidlala it's not about the $50 abangunikeza yona it's about your career kulabantu ababekubhekile from other iFIFA manje so mase bekubona so refula so anga so yacina sokhitshwa njengo refula neLiverpool okune Sapolo
ubeselimene
yabo
Yeah, so ngiyasupport ipoint lakho ukuthi I think futhi sike sakhuluma ngakho kakhulu ukuthi into lezi esithanda ukuzenza ama shortcuts ropa nje into ezingana zila order for ref yena ekhanda lakhe akacabanga ukuthi ngingarefula kuhle lapha ngingakwanisa ukubizwa ku-AFCON ngingakwanisa ukubizwa ku-World Cup yena kuya kumfikela akala akaku imagine njalo ngoba ucabangela khonapho ukuthi ethi banike isinkwa ngidle ngadla sokuphelile and even lama 50 la nxa ale alright asithi allegedly siyabazi kodwa asila ufakazi uyabona uyinikwe le 50 mdala uyidle kathesi wena uhambe officiate kubi lapha sasizi izifi yavuka ukuxojile ukuthi uyasiphambanisa
bebe suspend vele ref abantu ba suspend abaningi
yavuka ususpendiwe career gone so worse so at least abantu abazame ukuphusha integrity be part of ama operations awo umuntu eyisebenze ngendlela ekhule nje because nxa wenza kuhle abantu bakukhangele obvious
kakhulu
akuswelakala ozabe kuvoucher uChimene nangu ohambile uyasebenza so simfisela okuhle simtshayela
ngikhala kakhulu out of 4 ref bonke silabo uhambe 1
at least uhambile at least uhambile ngoba ke kungena even but at least uhambile yayo si represent kukhanyela even urefu wangala wani country ayi celebrate urefu wachaya final
Dala it's an achievement.
Yabona ngikuthi at least yabehambile one wethu that you have to celebrate him.
That's why he's the example ngama player. Ukuthi ucoach uMakenis oqotshiwe. Ube ngabhika ama players we performing ku league yethu. So singayilungu celebrate abantu esibabukela week in week out ibdala. Who are we going to celebrate?
Yes.
You understand? So kade squad sibuya sipiwa we know players who are performing on merit uthi ujalayo ngambone biziwe mdala akuyithuzi asikhali ungezothola unavayo obiziwe is the top goal scorer currently uChina the problem uthe 5 games 50 shots
50 shots
but it's the player who's banging them in week out is not giving a chance mdala experience uyithatha ngawaphi chance
yes
uthi kala experience okhama kona labo babiza week in week out labo Musoni bayithatha ngayo experience they were given a chance by someone what a chance na chance so everyone deserves a chance
eqale
mdala that's what one told about Spain babiza umfana le 16 years 17 years national team you understand so yizi izinto association omele izikhangele zona lezi ukuthi sebenza template leli umuntu nxa deserve amajensi awukhethelekile ukuthi udlalela iphi team udlala ngapi as long everyone deserves a chance as long as we are performing
lenzele Zimbabwe performer
clean
mina I think lapha ukhulume indaba esensitive but futhi ezisubuhlungu akanava izisubuhlungu even la ku Khosafa
banengi
but so far unavaya
Yes.
ngendlela avalelwa phandle ngayo la usubone iko esikhuluma ngokuthi ibhora labe lisasekude ungambizi even la ku Khosafa
ngike ngisho
uyebiza umuntu ole 1 goal la khona ungathi uyalibheka so i1 goal yakho na ilela omqedisela
abanye abadlali ababizwa
so kuyini
so painful abanye abadlali
let's hope ukuthi sokutshintshile alisesimele
let's hope sokutshintshile
and hey namhla ama positive man another positive madoda usecure ifriendly le Algeria for association
le Qatar
hayi iko phela ngutshanja unathi sama changes sesiba khona la uyabubona ukuthi we are heading to ukuthi kathesi njengoba nje asisele lokho nje ungabali FIFA breakers idlala so kule friendly and not just a friendly Algeria i competitive uKatar yabo Algeria yafiwa uKatar la uyawuzibona abhalani selingena kwelinye level uyabona
la uyabusungile kwelinye level
uyabo
FIFA break in November, so we have a match with Algeria. We also have a match with Qatar. Of course, Algeria's choice was very deliberate, knowing that in AFCON we will be playing Egypt, and the style of play between Egypt and Algeria is almost the same. So we have those matches that are coming up. We also have put in place. We've also put in place a camp that will happen. A 10-day camp that will happen when we are going for the AFCON. But pre that camp, we are also going to put in place even a local camp where the new techno team will have an opportunity to spend a lot more time with the players, so that as we go to AFCON, we are well prepared and we are ready to give the best performance.
So at least izokhanya la ukuthi hayi sesiyabona.
So but on that note Dala nanzelele something of course as anzama uku overshadow okuhle ukuthi ba secure for ama gents and ungacheck women's Dala I women's bekumele idlale ku Khosafa women's akade umele bekhona kade silapha but Khosafa yathi baswele I host nation yasikhansela. So ngikhangela Dala nganzelele ukuthi abafazi bacina ukudlala vele national team bacina ukudlala ibhora ku I think it was AFCON qualifiers February bona basecure ama friendly njengamajita so
I think baza kukhanyela but uqede kumachisa isayini
ukuthi FIFA
calendar no anti FIFA calendar asifanani ezabafazi lamajini let's hope going forward baza kukhanyela kubochera ukuthi okay right abafazi what needs to be done, because in your point ekhuluma is very varied and very important ukuthi bengakhanyeli one side because that besikhala ukuthi both sides ngoba silapha abafazi abadlala idisk and ipoint yakhe iqhakatheke kakhulu kanyethi. But what I'm happy about with this administration so far yebo ayenza 100% but there are signs of improvement.
Exactly. Obvious anti ma uqanza ama steps at step 1 step 2 ngoba nje ukuthi 10 so at least lapha I think babadingile nxa uthi I tournament ebuyayo phambili sohle kutshengisa ama intentions ukuthi sifuna ukuthi siyenzeni singafika kwaFCON uyabona of which is a good thing vele
ngoba ifriendly
so uthi coach ucoach la try abanye abafunayo esibonele yedwa since it's a new coach
yeah lama combination lama combination hayi I level
la yama game ukuthi nxa udlala sibili ungaphuma uyasala uzibona kwamaqini ukuthi ngime ngaphi kahle nje umuntu webhora so yeah it's kudos
yeah I'm happy. I must just keep it. I'm just hoping the only thing now semele ukuthi ngizwe ukuthi ucoach
Ngubani?
Official.
Amahunga
Sonke sibelelele,
amahunga
amahunga siyajala ikhaya.
Siyajala ikhaya, but once basitshela ukuthi ucoach we-national team baqasha ucoach we-national team mbani mbana yasoku easy going forward la sabe sesikwazi sikhulumela kubani ukuthi kumele ayenzeni because AFCON siseduze
December
55 days.
uDecember sefikile December sefikile, it's just about so kumele sibekwazi ucoach aqasa ukuprepare aqasa ukwazi
ubani uhamba layo ubani mfumchi
because majense asibeni serious national team sikhangele kulamanye ama player abesebizwa umuntu esekwazi guaranteed noma ngiyadlala mbanjalo
yiko sifuna ukubona ngocoach obuyayo ukuthi yena ucabangani lani uyabona lokuthi yena ufunani lezifi ufunani so I think now hayi so kumelela simbone ukuthi as a country siyanga
simple. I think by so doing sabe sesimnandi. Next guys, Division 1 football. Kuyasheshwa hayi lina Southern region asesishaba.
So right.
Ngale Eastern sesishaba.
So vodindezela ku Eastern dala. Ku Eastern anti siqale sazibonela thina ukuthi sebe qualified. Then yona iclub yasiyenza istatement sokuconfirm ukuthi siya confirm ukuthi sipromotiwe. And sifuna ukuhamba. Bahle bathi ama players ethu siyagcina lo coach stadium sethu sifuna usirenovate.
Nice one.
Sifuna thina vele sifuna ukuba ipride you know igas lawo lapha bakhona abaqalele khona so yeah siyabachayela izandla yandazi ungabanye ngabe sebecabanga ukuthi it's franchise la
hayi Chiefs asibuza ayikwenzi bona lokho hayi Chiefs auto yangena so sele central le northern
man yeah
kanti usini just ama updates ukuthi central region what's happening zime ngaphi zidlale njani sikhangeleleni
central region andi siyaphonga selector kuphela sesikhala ama game
a serious
I chose something so iadrog lejaja lokho ezidlaleni entanyeni la zonke ziwine ama identical score lines 3-0 adrog ichayi kwanda Paris 3-0 ishashami ichayi Tongogara 3-0 so ilokuzeni iadrop lokhu iphezulu lapha nge1 point ile 79 points from 31 games shasham ile 78 points from 31 games la so zonke nje zisalelwe 3 games iadrop ile Chapungu away then le MSU home then le Dulibatsimu away MSU le yiyo kubamba ishashampi yabamba ishashampi yakhala then ishashampi yona ile Westnick usona away Edison Vuma home ele Shabani mine away so
izingeni
akho mbona ngani amanza agelezela ku Adrock Adrock ile chance ngoba akudilibatsimu manje yawazi
idilibatsimu le MSU ngama team achayekayo
hayi iAdrock Jeki Chapungu bayidla MSU bayidla idilibatsimu bayidla isheshamile tough
iyakhona ubanje wesiniku sosingakani
iyahlupa ishabhani iyahlupa i-team angani bazichayela bayidinson hayi Dinson
eyogcina
mina mbona
but yaphela kwi1 point ilokuzeni ne ziyona zonke
but I see ngingazi but I see iAdrock going through
ilokuzeni singabanje isesham singaba le ama disturbance ayi2
ngoma game la tough
tough Shabani lo experience anyana bavele balakho yabo manje le Adrock ngapha wesi ifinyelele ukuthi ikhona ukuchaya iGwanda Pirates with the heavy swa mina mbonga naye
lazo Adrock umdala ama confidence awo la so kade sokuqasa ukuthi abafuna amaphiza ngabe stadium sesishepile
bakhuluma
yeah but into siyijwana ukuthi iChiefs ikwanile ngenxa ukuthi iChiefs ihlelekile ile order so there is no way ukuthi iAdrock lokuze iAdrock la ile order into zayo uyabona la ithi izinjani
beqalisile
ama-opponents aka next year ngoba sikwazi ukuthi
kuyafiwa mdala ngalo kuyafiwa le two kuthiwa yini imombe yaora kuyahanjwa ihle yabulala abantu 7
China
Check Pirates 7
Mdala benetha ucwayiza kuphela uvuka update
i-agama yayawina one note so manje khona ama-points lokhu kuyiwona la lokhu betshayana nge-1 point but manje amagame asesele imombe yawo home kuyafiwa
so Northern region is 2-3
sekuyi-2 race because imombe yawo until 83 points ile Karo United away isibuya home under 19 Amos under 19 then i-agama yona ile 82 points and ile Ali Sundowns home and then isicina nge-FC Oden
amanzi agelezela umombe yawo
yabona ile vele yaphela inje la yaphela inje uyi-1 point
hayi mombe
ngazingenela
nge-1 esesitshayile i-7 hayi boostile
vele
ilo babesengena nge-confidence
kade sivele cause iKaro ngale away but iKaro manje le yiyo phela yakuqala yokubamba iScotland eyomsindo lwana so team away manje anjabona so ungavuka something this week uyayibona iwina la isingeni
but I don't see imombe yawo dropping points
kwenzala mlapha
and khona babenhleka ngithi o-agama ntoni agama wina 1-0 agama kuhlohle late ku second half ebisibanjiwe
utshetsela ukuthi
ipressure yangikhona iningi
siba nje cause vele yona ibi
cause away vele kuyabe kunzima watch no Rangers ngale kuyabe kunzima le advantage ibiwo man
i-pressure then I think that's it for division anything for i-D1 esingabe sichina
I think lapha sinyathele konke lamazwana
ngoba otopi le antazi bayenza amawala bahle baprint izikhipha masinya awulathi besizwezisa izijayini clean amnandi then kule i-Women's Premier League so i-Platinum Royals ayilo momubi wena chaya Red Buffaloes 8 iChapungu yachaya i-Islanders Royals 4 then iKwekwe Queens yadli Cranbourne kuloka i-Rangers is now on top 62 points ilokile ile game in end then iChapungu number 2 on 59 points abafazini zimenjalo I think that's it for
actually Rangers is 2 game in ends and then iChapungu ile 1 game in ends.
Yes, Rangers because it's on 23 games.
But kamali sithi bathi match day 27 ama team adlale 25 games.
Ema game nini?
I think ebafazini kusase nomsebenzi.
Because i-team esidlala ama game amaningi sidlale 25. But wona wathi ku match day 27.
Hayi ebafazini I think kusase nomsebenzi. Ebafazini
I think we are money everything yehlupha ngani
khona kade sikhuluma ukuthi izifa izinto beli isikhangele
but I think bona ngendlela abayenza ngayo izifa I think sebezaqalisa ukufika la ngayo because ukuthi uqalise ukuthi usolve izinto zonke kawani akunzima
I think upresident uzababize uhlalisane phansi
hayi khona kuqhakathekile ukuthi sikhambeni zonke indaba because ebafazini lakho siyafuna ubona kuphumelela just like emajideni sekube same order yonke into clean
look at Morocco mdala vele from under 17 20 23 national team la sebafazini futhi same zonke ziyarubha ya
vele abacicise
bayenza kuhle
I think i-association association ngalungisisa lapha lakithi kuyaba easy
yani lathi kumbe sisembhandi lawo so maybe iko sokuqalisa khona into ezinhle
because baba basayena ukuyilokuzela
because story sabo kwathi how many bathi 7 years ago anti 7 years uthi abayenze
15
Vale 15-year plan. Kade
15-year
siba ku
plan.
7 years. Sebenzeni.
Mdala, as long as things are put in order, kungela ukuthi uzancenyisa. Ate wona like issue lani ethi hluphe eSouth Africa oyekele ukhayeli lokho zini.
Yellow card.
Yellow card ya. Izinto ezinjalo if you overlook kade seZimbabwe le issue passport. Uboyize passport kasayiboni but slow manager if you overlook those smallanyana things sesibizi izinto ezikhosta kusaba singaba serious into that our players are taken care of izinto za player le stress angalutho sithi ihambe edlala ibhola
Imagine race iplayer ungalibiza race selibuya vele lingakacabanga ukuthi lizahola inselicabanga ukuthi passport yami nganyamalala ke
you understand so those smallanyana things ziqhakathekile ukuthi kube izikhayela kube then kube le plan for bigger picture ukuthi going forward this is what we are doing silandele khona kya singalandela khona kya uzabona izinto zikase ukufola into place but the most important thing ekumele sikhayele is to improve i-league yethu because that is where most of our players in South Africa qualifying 11 ama-local it's possible if i-league yethu singaqakathekisa la ibe part of the plans and ibhola lethu thina siyalithanda and yiko lapho esibukela khona ama-players singakayo uyabukela uKadewere umbethiwa useGreece but angikwazi ukuthi uyadlala kumbe kadlali information yakhe yabincane but uNavaya can tell you
ukuthi na
uthi uNavaya udlala 17 goals yabona but uyabona bemoverlooka just because uKadewere useGreece but ke bengadlali engena amagobhora
akulamuntu this week uthi udlale njani kumbe udlalile mba sebenchini bathi kumaterials
we understand
yabo
yikho izinto kumele zilungise singabele ndawo ukuthi umuntu useGreece asibeni lama statistics of every Zimbabwean player most importantly i-league yethu siqhakathekile sithathe serious
but yeah excuse kanisi yona le phela yena nesuthi yena anti even uNavaya babona behlodla so wayengela full information technical lana nje ukuthi bagijima ispeed esinganani njani
hayi nisi singaniki airtime eningi uyambona sikhathi bani yena wayeshona ebukela iScotland kuphela hayi lwana zishaneni la
uthi abagqoka ama vest lawana
njalo iZimbabwe have achieved izinto eziningi kakhulu ezidlula uMichael Nisi ngama player oluphahla obeki baqualify bedlalele khona
onyaka vele into eqhakathekile uthi league ingaba sharp everything sihamba
ibe ibe part of the plans mdala
I hope
things going forward ukuthi sizakubona sisiya phambili
this is sabaxolela ngoba sana ungena ema-ofisini but I hope ukuthi nje kunje basiphekele enye into ukuthi next season sibili league sibili sizabona umlilo
mina vele mbongana eBorana kungene ukuthi iZimbabwe siye kude lathi nje uMorocco eBorana kungene abantu beBhora abathanda iBhora abale mfutho ngento zeBhora siyakude
simple
but ungathatha abantu abazodinga imali hayi siyachona sikhala akungena abantu beBhora
simple
endaweni right
then moving on gents the Chibuku Super Cup siyafika esikipeni sakho abathi bakona adliwe madoda sesikhulume kakhulu ngetalent labo coach sikhangela lama results la lapho athethe khona team asike sinike noma ngophi ama flowers majenzi
hayi standing
awudlalile
uthi umntwana secoachile
coach
I think if best doubt ama credibilities akani hayi kade sesibonisa ukuthi hayi into lenyaya
now
I don't think ukhona umuntu obemnika
good season
I know plus andiveleni obuye mina for mina exactly anti lapho community don't kulo muntu adimnika ichance
over weekend kusuchibuku
vele even ekuphendula hayi for this semi final nje mina bente o team B bazawena no futhi trying to be one of the team Bs elendas bingenye so lapha bekuyikuthi sembeliever ukuthi uma ngombe umjida uyasebenza i-team yakho ufika wayibumba kuhle mina bengincithi ichance esanda kuphenduka ngendlela asuka ngayo eTanzania besithi utoma umnikazi we-team wayembona ku-training yabona ukuthi lapha kula lutho lwazakala yabo but uthe esephendukile nje uphenduke lami ngile ngqondo nalento engce ku-Dynamos wayejuma because even Dynamos engayinanga lutho i-Dynamos yakhe ayidlala ibhola yabona so uthe efike kwenza ku-triangle i-team akade iphansi kule Gwegwe United triangle
anongiyongenisa eScotland even kube ngoba yithuthuthu wayisukumisa
wayisukumisa itriangle kade sebekufina eChibuku Super Cup and vale chance yokuyiwina kuba kufinal it's a fair chance for them sebengayiwina isingawina iDynamos but siyamchayela izandla to
sesebenzile mntana against all odds and phela wonke umuntu we thought Mozi we just cruise but well done to him.
Hayi mina ngibona ngani hayi so far mangathiwa coach of the month nyamne eqhubeni
of the month awumfake kweminyakeni ulukela kuseduze
eyomnyaka ngibone okunywa ngokayindi ukuthi ukayindi sokuseve ukuthi simfaka coach of the season
hayi base behambe kakhulu
because why biloko kind ngiyana even though is a profile ku Dynamos because mina I think ama players at Dynamos are more motivated than ama players amaningi ku league i-team lani inkulu one and ngendlela abayenze ngayo even administration yabo it's a good thing labo ukufaka indula engaba part of one but I think ocho mntwana ngendlela abakhayana i-team lana bayithanda khona uJalai wayekela even ama big money moves wathi wahlala ku Dynamos it's a sign of loving i-team
yeah.
I don't think they will love ukuthi i-Dynamos relake even ngabethi abadlali kungela coach bezibhikana bodwa ama players I think bebengayenza khona ukabakwenza I don't think abantu abangafuna ukubona iDynamos siyaphansi that's me
yeah
akwazi simbone chini
right khona yeah and also ukayendo sedlala how many games le Dynamos ukuthi sesingaqalisa ukumbalela ku coach of the year I think akusoze kube fair to ama coach
because awuchiye ku Highlanders
alokuye ukukhuluma abantu abahappy nje
akusoke my problem mdala indaba zoqala njalo manje because the next thing abazathi is vote abahappy bona laba bazavuka
mina kimi ke bengayini
vela kuvuma
mina kimi ke bengayini
mina lami konke uthi akukho fair for ucoach oyabe edlale le one team esenza kahle yabona oDubai ngithi uDubai ngucoach of the year but ngithi uthi ikhangela ukuthi yena sesingamfaka
vele obviously lapha thina obvious vele uyabithethe icup ngiyabe carry because ngoqala isizini yonke phezulu la yabona uyasesithatha
vele ukhayindi ukuthi simpaki
but funny thing guys speaking about coaches ngondira esisathatha lezi league amadoda umuntu uwa struggle leScotland
uyabona into engitsho
ande besayihlanganisa
so umuntu then yikho bona konti uyabe deserve uyithathe
ukayindi ukuthi sithi coach of the season kuyahlupha futhi mana ngicorrect lapha uthe ukayindi ukuthiya ukayindi kathiyanga waxoxa so uyamize kathiyanga kwayilendazi lapha kwathiwa amabhathi agcwala umoya amabhathi esiyangana kudala Mosi waseDojo so angeke sithi coach of the season no so coach of the season
but mina bo coach of the season that's like even undira ngiyimfanya sesingamfaka nje ngothi Scotland yabe but given what Scotland is mdala umsona laphana ungayihluliye but
akunzima nje
yeah but ngithi ngesingami
ngiyakubhura sibila akunzima ukuba le team like elama players ablind wodwa imagine umanage igoliana ukuthi lize liwine phela ukuthi mina ngicoach abafana abangawaziwayo ngiwini league
because laba bafuna bachise
so imagine umotivate umuntu le igolani lani I think into yabinzima ve because wonke umuntu imagine isizini iqalisa phela wonke umuntu wasiScotland ayithathe ngama players akhona la
yeah but uyazo ngendlela sebabukelile it's not like ukuthi team yana ukuthi ngathi ivinqani check the coaching yabona ngidala kulama teams ebembona inqanye wabukile ukuthi lapha coaching yabona iMozi
yabona wadla
ngoba ukenzakele but i-team lana umntaza ucoachile ubonisile from division 1 abathenganga ukuthi thwa same group of players from division 1 kepha lothi lina lingile bathesi kukhanya awunika dzino next year but sakakhuluma we next year ngikhuluma ngathi sokwemozi imozi I can say bo overachievile abayenzanga ama offers elias buying what
laba bakhona manje la kuleki
you understand ukhetha kulokhu thepho ku number 1
first time
you understand first time yabo Scotland Scotland yabe nje bathenge everyone nje laphana yebo uma kuchisa uchonya ukuze ukuthi manager ama igwenzeni
besaqala ukuhlanganisa
even ngababukela
anjani into engitsho yona le like yokuthi anjani uyabuthetha umuntu okwazi oyinye culture of playing omunye lawe libaningi nge1 season so kuzona uba manage ukuthi wena beyenza into eyi1 oyifunayo it becomes difficult veke kunzima that's why ubona even kuma national team like maybe eGoli le that's why ubona maybe yakwanisa uthatha ama players maybe 6 Pirates bethathe 5 because ukuthi build the combination ngabantu labana it's easy because ngabantu asebenjani abajayelene uyabona because unganenzela even kuma national team iSpain yakhira ngeBarcelona kwakule more players ngale so kuba is become easy ukuthi binjani kube le continuity nxa ungicoach but nxa utopa 1-1-1 it takes a lot my guy
yabona ngiyakuza
and then Mos when anti as we are saying ukuthi it's well coached usuke labo from kudala uyabona uyabazi so yena kuye it was continuity but as for Ndiraya bekumele kuqalise from zero uyabona
you can go on and on but ukutsho ukuthi uyabubona ukuthi thinking uyabona well coached
ngiyakuza ipoint yakho ufungana
like check even game lana i1-1 abayijwaleya le ndlela nebeef mdala khetha bepiko njani umsona phandle you understand they struggle to win those games but ubusucheck even amanye ama results kade sobokwenzakala endlela odwe kwenzakala ngkhona ukuthi league yebo bazayiwina sokusiba nama factors amanye amaningi was even wayibuza kuhle kuhle uhambe because we speak with fans a lot bawutshela la magame bengani bayathenga because bengacaci into okhona but the teams odwa wabona kanti was speaking about uma ngophi I-triangle uyayibona ukuthi
lo coach
team le ngani it's well coached you understand kulama team ukuthi unga pinpoint ukuthi i-team le yabo even i-platinum before bezathi abafana abantu abathengisa igame ku Scotland that platinum singakafiki ku-area
ebedlalela
watch and enjoy
mina kahle ipoint yakho ngiyayizwa and ivalue why ngisho kanjalo because ungabheka iMos it's first time ukungena ithe ingenile anawo sifuna compare iMos le Scotland ithe mayingena ku Premier ayizange ithenge that much yahamba labantu abanjani and ungayibheka lapho ekhona it was the number 3 of teams that ezicatshangelwa la ukuthi ziyathatha ileague ubusukhangela ngapha kuMozi ku Scotland iseyabutha ama best wonke kade wacabangela abantu bonke so much was expected even uncoach we Scotland yabo umachisi umvulela ingqondo ukuthi kunzima ngiyayizwa point kunzima ukucoacha omsona abavela kubo Hoffenheim ku Ostend yethi wena Ndiraya awuzange ngabo ngapha ngabo Billiard vela abavela lawo ezindaweni ezinjani njani yabona so kuba labo Dzuka manje yabo
nansi platinum khumbula iplatinum lana yabo Justa le yayithethe bonke phela la but ayizange yathanda
kwanzima ukuze ngoba abafana bana they knows too much ngabantu futhi abahola kuhle ukuthi ungazi umtshela yakuthetha lo uyantshela ndo ophelele lapha kubongezi labo Dynamos yabo so kunzima bo but hayi ngiyakuzwa but hayi wonke ama point are right but hayi uMos lama I go with you Mos.
So back to Chibuku Super Cup triangle defeating iMos 2-0
and we were clear ngiyela ukuthi uzathi hey izwinele triangle amagoza bekurejwa abantu lapha namhlanje ngibona
go number 2
ngibona ngama highlights sibili but yakwazi ama go awabona ukuthi le go ivela ku drill le ukuthi abantu laba ba practice ukuthi wena hamba uma lapha unika ibhoru ukuthi usunika lwano lapha nabengenile espacing ilibhora edlala i-triangle.
This is what I'm saying phela ngoma ngophi ukuthi unga-check i-triangle engakafiki le triangle esekhona ama-changes even ama-results abe kutshele akunika enye ipicture but njengoba chise sisho ukuthi vele bazanika owena ileague.
Yeah, bazanika
So triangle is through to the final. Then yesterday Battle of Zimbabwe continued part 2 part 3 of the season. Mtala njengoba ubuse eHarare ungasithi fahla
mina kokuqala vele like ngathi i-Island why ifuna ukubulalisa abantu ngestress. I-Island angikutshele manga abantu khona bacaze begqosa 29 nge-Island. Cause honestly abantu ade behambile. Hayi izimoto abezihambile i-Island iyasupportwa sihamba ngenhliziyo zethu zonke. But i-lose against Dynamos abafana babe bekwazi ukuthi i-lose against Dynamos iyasihlukumeza njalo mawusubuya ngale udliwe uyabongani mdala udrive usekhongo. Island izasibulala mdala ngestress.
penalty matches mnamboni ikhaya.
Hayi no like yabona kuhle ngoba manje hlawo mashisa bo abantu abadlala ibhola lapha izolo mina ngibona kuleke singakabali igoli ke Dynamos anjukusona imbuzo ama penalty kuma penalty lapha mina personally ntenhleli umfana lo wasihamba sisiyachaya ngathi sebephambanisa khona. Umfana lo i-pressure one is young. Prince is young. Two, i-pressure from penalty number 2 bese kusukuma ama supporters mawusiyachaya beyenza i-pressure ukuthi sokufuna umuntu ole-experience umuntu okwazi uku-maintain that pressure. Lapha umfana uthe sisiyachaya ngasangathi kube kuthiwa kumbe bachayise uDale kumbe kube bachayise omaninji bekuzaba ngcono umfana manje hayi sele pressure is too much usengakhutha hayi ngakhuthiswa ukuthi ukusekhuthiswa i-pressure leya mina ngibona lapha kuleke ucoach kumbe kwaleka ulokuzeni.
But yakwazi amaphena nje ungambuza uMachizo yakujeni ezinkulu zolezana
amaphena vele
yikho kuthiwa yilotho
kazi yena umfana versus Scotland wachaswi. Uyabona and emaphena sikuthi lihle lifike lisithi kwamba versus Dynamos somele sichaya amaphena obvious ba trainile umfana ubechaya and lokhona kuyatholakala like ukuthi uyikhuthi iphena phela iyatholakala.
Umbone kodwa uhambe njani umfana izona
alokhona kuyatholakala eze njengomfana eziyase ukuthi ngumfana but yena i-confidence because sometimes lathi kunje uyathi isini uqina ukuthi but mafana ambochaya mafana ethi la mina confidence ngizacha and confidence ukuthi uwachaya wahlohla lonke la belikwazi ase training la libona umafana ukuthi penalty uyayichaya but ngeday nje into yakwanisa ukuyenzakala uhambe ngenye indlela but kuyitough like amaphena vele ilotho.
How about goal? First goal ele Dynamos abafana babe yizithutha ikakhulu uReason babe yizithutha abafana lapha. You can't relax enganezange lidlale kulo kuzeni.
Mina lapha I think ngevideo lana umfana wami weDynamos ube ngutsotsi because the moment yena ube phansi umfana so Reason wasn't sure ukuthi umuntu lo anuza njani uzahlela lokhu because yena uzamile udrag ibhora umfana wami wahlwa lidupha ngezandla yena saphakamisiza uthe sithi uyacheka umfana wami bese fa ibhora wadlala lokhona yikho ukuthi ebhoreni itwa ibhora matsotsi uyabona ukuthi wena opponent andona lapha yabelimele ukuthi uref lizanyani ngiza khuluma lo ref but uref ibhora lingadlalwa that moment vese kunjani selisiye gate
ngifuna ukukhuluma ngemoment yena le Coach Island uDijong. I think uDijong needs to be reprimanded. Ngombono wami. Utsho mntwana uzafaka ibhora leZimbabwe in disrepute.
Yeah.
Because labana ithi goal
is not acting like a professional. Inkulumo zakhe even after esekhuluma nama journalist, even iconduct yakhe during the game. Eshawutana labo linesmen. Utsho mntwana it's high time kumbe iyayilenda kumbe PSL they do something about such behavior. I don't think it's good for our football. Ibhora leZimbabwe nasifuna likhwelele phambili. But singaba labantu ababuya bele mentality ezinjenza bo Dijong. It's bad for our football.
Akakhona ithi clear goal phela isikho ukuthi kumbe urefu lana ayiso free kick lana ukuthi kumele uphakamisa isandla kwenziweni. Lana vele umuntu engathola ibhola dlonge engalichanga limove. Elimisile wadlala that's a goal. Akulo ukuthi
yena about uDijong. uDijong uyokhozena la nanto. Kube yazwayisho njalo. Kube uDijong kaye phandle. uDijong liqala ibhora bese jingelana labantu wathi ureason kube uDijong uyenza kahle. Ureason athi yazadoba ibhora na alime. But ureason la uthi ucoach la into ayenzayo. Uhambe sejingela uref. Ibhora la continue. Ukukhopha ngaphoka ukukhopha from the coach.
Ale game ni vele kule nto etwa image awareness dala vele even a primary dala nxa ufundisa ibhora ngutitsha utitsha wayekutshela ukuthi ibhora lingaphuma uref esachaya impembe lapha engakabona ukuthi likhitshwe mbani wena gijima uthatha ibhora lithrow in ngiyamconfuse uref njanje kumbe kuyaconfuse abantu igame izayo yiko ukukhulunywa nguTopi lapha futhi manje
alokwakutsotsi lokwakutsotsi
into
ezithizi into ayenzile umfalwana mawubona wena igobhora wena leyana umfalwana ubelele phansi uyabona and then ube kanjiwe and so yena urizini uthe zama ukuthi ephambi isandla phela ref umfalwana beselidonse ngezandla uthe lidonsa ngezandla antoni yabo sasemoyeni ukuthi umfalwana lokho ephansi uyabona kananzeli ukuthi lokho ephansi uyabona khona kwahle kwadlala kwakhona
nenda sikhulumela ibehavior ukaDijong lokho nyakuzwe ibhora matsotsi ku right but uDijong akuyenza even setshela ama journalists azakamtshela ambe coach njani
mdala uDijong ngathi angazi ukuthi ku contract yakhe kubhalweni angazi yena wafika wathi yena ufuna ukusebenza njani but umembalwana olenye freedom yokuthi ekhanda la kutshela ukuthi yena ubuzoyenza ibhora leZimbabwe ifavor.
Let's gewoon fair play every game. Is it clear? I give you a question. How is it possible that Diamond must always play on Saturday and next week play on Sunday? Make an article about that. But you are not doing that. You are not doing that. Yeah? Why is Diamond must always play on Saturday and next week on Sunday? I see no people write about Dynamos against the Nigisi. Remember, the game was dead. The game was dead because the referee blow. And as the referee blow, he can never score. Today he blow, and the ball is not on the position. It's a big shame, gentlemen and ladies. It's a big shame. It's a big shame. Fair play. Maybe it's not the reason that they have no FIFA badge. Doe tijd dat je right things.
Ongakaya umembalwana from lapane buya lapane sima the technical team yakhe eBF lapana promise izinto you know juku fine ijese sharp niku ariyo imali lapana you know into yakho ukuthi yaphonga uthatha kit nika ama supporters lani lokana you know I think yena ufocus kwezinye izinto ufuna ukuzothandwa than ukuthi ezoba ngucoach right win nje.
This is what I'm talking about. Because you cannot as a coach tell ama journalists ukuthi libhali kuhle go and write stories about this mdala
kalokana izifayela lokuthi iPSL and I think they have to
yike kutsho ukuthi kumele bamsamo but sekuyenzeka kakhulu lokho waphendukayo every time is fighting with photo official or lineman or ref is doing things kuma press conference uzenzela into yakhe izolo bese khuluma ukuthi iDynamo siya favor ama fixture sefuna ukufixture yini
idlala yesande
sefuna ukuba nguye ofixture
emotional utsho umlwana
awusoba
emotional guy uzenzisa lo guy for umuntu omdala
even executive Islanders they must do something about uchomena na ngakhuluma bembisela wathi hamba last time wakhuluma into engasoze ngafanga ikhohle even up to today uchomena wathi yena ngasoze wafa waphindwa wakhoja futhi Islanders the very same executive isimphendukisini i-character yakhe I question his character sorry to say I question his character uchomena
no lapho ungaxolisi mvumelana la
I question his character
akwenzi you know
khale lokho ebhikileyo khale su fitness trainer oyelenda kakho abre waxabana naye abre kakho ama supporters angazi umba bengonenze abre kakho goalkeeper
Musa
reward waxabana uchomnana angwazi mina angikho part of Islanders simbona from a distance khathi izolo ubexabana namaje uyasukuma is so boastful uyafaka ibhora lezi
bona bambula izimene so lezimene ezama ukuthi hayi topi akuvela kumela ngoba umbamba ibe mgonile so echinga kabi lapha igame yadlala
iPSL I think iyomela imsamone because ibehavior yena lana iyabe ingafuna
but iIslanders
iIslanders maybe you need to go right and
why is the right you should baro
iIslanders mele qale na ukuthi thina vele anti ibehavior yakhocha siyikhondoni vela kukhosha akachiyi iPSL asibuyidinda phezulu
hayi ngoba lokana isiko lokho Uma journalist kanesi sesivaye ibizwe elibi you know how journalist
uma pheza wafela ukupoint ucoach etshela uthiwa wafela ukupoint journalist elitshela ukuthi young man
yobona ukuthi wena iPSL iyaqalisa kanjani ngokumsamona then iclub isilandile because iclub yeni ayingeke iqalisa iPSL maybe iclub yawuthi maybe kuyavunyelwa uPSL yabo so into esinjalo iPSL yomeli system
but yena club engaba happy ukuthi
but uyaphambanisa ibhora leZimbabwe
it's not about iclub nje kani because iclub yona kibo it's okay kibo because bafunani bayathi kunjani bona ukuthi wena uqalisa uhluthiso iPSL ingakangeneli kunzima ngoba laba besithi njani ucoaching ngowethu
you do it private
yantu yabona private
mase buwe wena isigame man esiyabona more come sis understand but lokho buya
yiko phela ngikutsho ukuthi at least the PSL vele iyomele mdala vele to be honest project ama journalist because ama journalist anyeke project yoyayilinda aprojectwa yilo yini
into le
yabo
nza khuluma enye into abantu abazansula umuntu engaba ngumlungu kunokunya kuyi certain level of fear even Michael Nisu besikhuluma into zabo Popeye abantu besangwazi ukuthi imentality yethu sometimes iye esuka siyesaba ukuthi just because umjida umlungu madoda kumele sibe factual in everything that we do.
Mina my question ku-Islanders ukuthi bona mabemkhathile phela kusonga PSL waqhathwa eIslanders bona babemkhathile izinto utsho umlwana zenzayo laphana ziyahambelana yini lokukhocha yini ngoba awutsho umlwana ngendlela agijima ngayo ngendlela athethisa ngama official ngendlela asukuma ngayo hayi siyakuphi bheka manje goalkeeper asilayo umuza sefakwe ngani goalkeeper sofa vela singeke sithi umuza ngumfana expected ukuthi sisumdawo segugile sengani semdala la umdawo nanje iyafana ade lokuze maye mawusuyabulala labantu abafana siyakhuluma baphi futhi abafana
because my worry topi umuntu nxa yenza into enjalo is behind the scenes sasikhuluma coach weNgezi
ukuthi yayenza west
if nxa yenza so in front of the cameras and everywhere behind the scenes
wenza
so I'm worried about this guy also behind the scenes what is he doing
so kule point eraiswa nguTopi la matches ikarese nxa iPSL anti ingakakhulumi so I think for Islanders it's safe wesikhulumela lo coach behind the scenes kuphele njalo otherwise iIslanders ingasukuma ibe public
no Islanders are used to be public
manje kwena iIslanders is a big club dala endaweni ezinje kamele yenze example definitely
behind the scenes
isingasukuma ibhali statement ukuthi thina into enziwe ngocoach asikho esikukholelwayo and stuff yabona But yabe sizi-expose ukuthi nxa i-PSA kade ingasoze i-act asikwazi i-PSA ya-act sithi singa-act ihlethi plus 5 iyale nda somele iphume imali.
No, mina kuyayilena ngikhulumela ukuthi you are seeing this guy, you are working with this guy 24/7. Alimkhuzi yini?
Vele ngoba nabamuyenza.
Ngoba it's not igame yayizolo kuphela. You understand? Seyimbone kakhulu ukuthi no man kule nto yenziwa ngochomlu engani zithi arama but akho sharp oyizinto lo because ibehavior enjalo nje kanti awuyethuki esedabura umunye umbe ngurefu umbe mangempama so ku public so kusiba ngamanye izi but you've been seeing izinto lezi no man lapha ngani kule era
nxa le ndazi sipho ngokuthi kaqedisa i-contract ehamba umjida
uyabona like mina uAsh lokhu ngikuye ubuya ngepoint back to uthe is happy ukuxoxanisa nje
akakhulu
ngoba kule amendment yani ukuthi uthembiseni wena mawufika nje uDijongu uthole iDynamo City yange 16 points khathe sesilingana
but lokana landa badakho
okay mina izinto ezikhozayo phela ibehavior yakhe
yakuzona ukujoje
ukhetho ubet bakuphi
because uyabona kunjani vele cheke bona eziya ilendazi bayakwazi bona ukuthi umuntu wethu simqhatshe njani umuntu wethu usebenza la njani ukuthi simenza njani uyabona but in terms of ukuthi imedia wathi lokwana ama journalists must be protected by PSA uyabona even uref layo must be protected uyabona futhi iclub because iclub wena mawuqhatsha umuntu wena ukuthi uphinde futhi umlokuze futhi ku social media kuba nzima
not on social
so ibona into abakwenza bona obviously I think maybe bayibo
okwenza okuzayenza ukuthi kumele into okwenza ngithi mina vele into le merit social cause into ezakala in public and they have to set an example abangeke vele beyikhulumele emuva that is believe sizithule ukuthi sebenzi vele into le involve iPR phakathi ekucineni yalenda sizamele sukuma itshengise ukuthi no into ezwe ngocoach tena ICS ayivumelana.
You know where my worry is Garnet? It's not the first time.
Mina phela ngithi ukuthi umember lo first time lapha ne coach ayilenda sokuqaliseni before ehambe platinum. Izinto lezi wayengiyela lezi. Kade esibabuye bemthelile.
Leyo yabatsho ukuthi inde pressure egame.
Uyathi awukho sharp.
So ikongutsho ukuthi PSL yona yiyo mele ingenele mo. Because kwayilenda mina ngiqhathile. Mina utshela ukuthi mina ndodamenti ngama points. So nofuna ngihleke ngiqile. Uyabona something like that because wena ngongiqhathile ngcono ohlunjani ungihambisa
ngiyalizwa James
so but PSL I think bona they have to look
at the end of the day sorry for lose guys so it's now Dynamos versus Triangle ku finally Chibuku Super Cup
maya kule theory kama chisa manje uthi wena Chibuku ihamba la
uthi will see what is the Triangle or Dynamos being relegated bengawina
wena Chibuku ihamba la
the good thing is the final and iyadlalwa after
sihambile
sikwazi ukuthi iphe relegate so let's move on to the business of the Khatlaka Premier Soccership. It resumes this weekend in Skyline ama fixtures Skyline ilog then we're done with this week's show so this week week bana nje lo esiyawe November match day 32 ama games azadlalwa mhla ka1 lo mhla ka2 let me check out this week's fixture so this week's match day 32 we'll see Telwan versus Green Fuel Kwekwe versus okay asle qedela ama fix Kwekwe versus Telwan versus Green Fuel
Telwan
Green Fuel
awuphume lokuzela ba
Telwan yahlupha lapha Green Fuel
I think I'll go with Telwan my Unavaya on target
Telwan anti vele kuyachayana iPlatinum 1-0
then Kwekwe United takes on Scotland yakhumbula lokho ngamale into yabe 1 ukuthi Kwekwe ayisoziyo ngamale 1
hayi straight
I think 1 yangona yona le
Not this time. Yabe sidlale kakhulu laphana.
Ngokuthi sebetshintsha ucoach.
Athi batshintshele lo coach.
Hayi but laphana laba abantu kumele bese beqhutshela. So hayi angeke bedlale njalo.
Mina ngefeeling ukuthi i1 yakhona yona.
hayi Scotland
Scotland.
Then Imozi le triangle and this one
Again.
Imozi
it's a draw
eh
I draw.
Draw. Yeah, in fact, I go with Imozi. And
Mangobi yabaphinda mina ngihamba le triangle.
I mean, all right, double chance triangle. Draw.
I think Mangobi yabaphinda.
Draw. Moz.
Then chicken in the big one versus Cape United. Luveve Stadium.
we draw
It keeps like these days go 1.
I'm not ayibuyi Capes. Ichicken in hayi. Yacha kudlula. Iyaqandisa la manje.
Draw.
Yaqandisa.
They draw le.
Then imanika ilengezi.
Yes.
amanika
Simba
Draw.
Bora Islanders.
Draw. 0-0 clean.
Simba straight
Simba straight.
Awuyi.
Hayi abaningi nyawazi babe ngahambanga ngendlela futhi ayilento edlala ngayo Simba. Faka iSimba straight.
Awazi ukuthi ngendlela yenze ngayo. Yilokho ukuthi ngabe vele kayenze ukuthi mina ngihle mfaka ukuthi Simba siwinile. Ayihluwile kathesi.
Then Dynamos ile Bigit.
Dynamos.
Hey, game le emergency le. Ale draw le.
I don't see Dynamos dropping points.
Hayi Dynamos afala abale spirit kokade ukutsho kuqaleni they play with their heart.
Amboni drop ama points.
Hayi.
Then Rentals ile Yada.
Renta.
Draw hayi Renters isiphofu zabe siqhubana.
Then iKariba ile Platinum.
Draw.
Platinum ayisaqeda kala. Ngani sebeqedisa ileague uthi hayi.
Abasela pressure.
Platinum ayisaqeda kala loba yini bayamukela.
Just to remind our viewers ilogo uthi imenjani. This week madoda kunzima. Ama game la ama relegation encounter la. So we still have Scotland 62 points followed by Simba Bora on 56. So Scotland ngawina le City Cup.
Yeah.
Scotland
ngaqeda.
Siqedile.
ile
Then third place is Moz 55 points, Ngezi on 54. Third one is also fifth on 52 points. Then in relegation Berkeley, I think it's from number 9, Capes on 38 points, the Islander 36, Chicken in 36, Bigita 36, Triangle 34, Greenfield 34, Manika 34, Dynamos 34, Iata 31. Ikwekwe is automatically relegated. If you check Iloka from a relegation, Iata singathi isijoina ikwekwe, although mathematically they are in with a chance. But from Dynamos to Cape United ziyakhala.
So watshelwe ham.
iDynamos ngawina ibe le 37 iyabe isiya ku number 10. That is if iIslander nxa idliwe. Imanika ingawina same layo iyabe isiya ku 37. iGreenfield ingawina la iya ku 37. iTriangle ingawina la iya ku 37. iBikita ingawina iya ku 39. iChicken ingawina iya ku 39. iIsland ingawina iya ku 39. iCapes ingawina iya ku 41.
right
So
this week uyahamba
plan. Those are the fixtures. That's the log table. Anything else see besides once again congratulating the Bulawayo Chiefs, the Hunters Eastern.
thank you sesikave bonke
So last week Masudu.
Last waiting it hayi abantu abacontinue besekela besisekela and then aqhubekeni ngento zeBhora. Asiqhatheni abantu beBhora eZimbabwe phambili and then lama team la angenayo like kithi ngapha Bulawayo Chiefs, we are happy for them. Yazi abaqhubeke njenge Chiefs aqhubeke njalo.
Kanyet
I'm for the congratulations to Bulawayo Chiefs. at least you know bangezelela to excitement kade ikhona this season for you know this season ibhora abantu bangani baqalisile ukulithakazelela nje ibhora lethu local baqalisa ukungena ema stadiums you know ukuphendwa kwabula Chiefs sokungezelela because bula Chiefs la lelinye vibe lenza abantu vele bethanda ukulandela nje so ngithi congratulations and then ngithi kwabalandeli bethu beqhubeke besilandela befollow beshare you know yeah kube njalo nje sikhuleni nje asikholiseni
kutopi mina ngikhipha imedali ngithi yimi yedwa engazi ukugqokisa imedali
we planning
champions
ama champions
welcome back to the boys
Tango Maninja. Tango Maninja.
I hope is about going champions of champions for that.
Champions of champions is there. So as was ukuthi between Chiefs and us laziphi.
Laziphi ezinye izitu.
But kukhanya ngani kuzaba yi Hard Rock le Mombeo.
Mombeo, yeah.
But kebe kufika Hard Rock le Mombeo. So that's it for this week, guys. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, subscribe, share, and continue. If ever there is anything, often we add to the show, just write, comment, engage, share, guys, improve here. If ever there is any improvement, if we are doing well, like a wish up, so like my engagement, especially Mpume, please keep it up, Sabonga. Salute. Lo qinisani moyete.
Kola yenye so ezibhizi ku Facebook lokho ya discover account. Bara vele ngavule Facebook yakwazi ukuthi notification yalithola.
But we like that.
And I wanna post it even ku personal account. Ya Twitter vele ithi awufa idlale njani Murambila. Hanza ikhumbula ngizamkhumbula umdabra umjito yiswini.
Bara kuthi I think umuntu okhuluma ngaye is becoming a regular on the show. Xa kungaso
ulebize elide so
umzini wathi
yena leyo
ngawa so mfana emzini anele
mfana emzini so sithi hayi kudos adios
so mfana emzini anele zikhali mkhulu. I hope I said it right. Zikhali mkhulu anele mfana emzini
anele zikhali mkhulu.
Yeah, is becoming a regular. Please share litshela abanye ukuthi ishow njani ikhuleni. We're doing this for the love, for the growth of Zimbabwean football.
Plus 35 minutes ago izifa si published i vacancy for izifa national Zimbabwe national team coach. So it abantu besenda ama CV.
Peter Ndlovu send your CV. Bruce Grobler send your CV. Banomnye imicabanga kapini usafunda. Banomnye imicabanga Kaitano ukuthi ungassistant send the CV. But otherwise it's been a great show and congratulations again to Bulawayo Chiefs. So hope to I started to at this time. They're here to stay. But otherwise
ciao.
Can just tell ciao, adios.
Adios.
Uza mapambi.
Siyakhorofa ku ciao.
Ciao.
Mina ngitama supporters eIslanders continue to support Bulawayo Chiefs inga relegate.